Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most common and confusing verbs in the English language. Get. Get a job, get going, get over, get lost. Why is this tiny word so powerful yet confusing? You can hear native speakers use it in almost every conversation. What does it mean? And why do you find it in so many different situations? Let's break it down. Let's start with the most basic use of get. To receive something. I get a gift for my birthday. She gets a good score in chemistry. Another meaning of get is to obtain something. This is a little bit different from receive. When you receive something, you don't do anything. It's just given to you. For example, you get a gift on your birthday. You didn't work for it. Someone just gave it to you. But when you obtain something, you make an effort to get it. For example, if you get a job, you probably applied, did an interview, and then got hired. You can get information by looking it up or doing research. You can get some sleep by going to bed and resting. The word get can also mean to buy. For example, if you see someone with a shirt you like, you can ask, "Where did you get that shirt?" This means that you want to know where they bought it. Another place we use get to mean buy is when ordering food or drinks. So it is common to say, "Can I get a large coffee?" Or "Can I get some French fries?" This means that you want to order those items. Get also means become. This shows a change in condition, mood, feeling, or state. You can get angry easily. People often get lost in big cities. It gets dark very early in the winter. We also use get for a change in relationship. Two people can get engaged, get married, get divorced. We often use get to mean arrive. If I say, "I usually get home from work around 5," it means that I arrive home at that time. When asking for a direction, you can say, "How can I get to the airport?" This means asking how to go there or arrive there. You can also use get when talking about travel. For example, "We'll get to Tokyo on Friday morning if we take the next flight." Let's take it to the next level with phrasal verbs. When we combine get with small words like up, over, along, and back, we create a new meaning. These phrases don't always make sense literally, so you need to learn them like a mini vocabulary words. Get back means return. When did you get back from vacation? Get through means finish something or survive. We'll get through this tough time. Get over means recover from something. She got over the flu quickly. Get along means have a good relationship. They get along very well. Get by means manage financially. Ben doesn't earn much, but we get by. To finish up this lesson, let's look at some expression with get. Get cold feet means become nervous. He got cold feet and canceled the party. Get a picture means understand the situation. You don't need to explain again. I get the picture. Get your act together means start behaving properly. You need to get your act together before the meeting. Get on someone's nerves means annoy someone. That loud noise is really getting on my nerves. Get going means start moving or leave. We should get going or we'll be late. Let's review real quick. Get means receive, obtain, buy. Get also means arrive. Get also means become. And if we put get with preposition, it becomes a phrasal verb. And we also already learned some native expression with get. If you get these uses of get, you'll instantly more fluent or natural in English. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future lessons. Also, comment below with a sentence using get. I'd love to see your examples. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.